Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Agricultural Science Grade 10, Agroecology. The diagram below shows the energy flow in the ecosystem through the interaction of different organisms. Question: identify the type of energy flow illustrated on the diagram above. The correct answer is ecological pyramid. This form of energy flow is represented as a pyramid because it visually shows how energy decreases as it moves from one trophic level to the next. The base of the pyramid contains the producers, who capture the largest amount of energy from the sun. As energy moves upward to herbivores, then to carnivores and apex predators, a significant portion is lost through metabolic processes, movement, heat, and incomplete digestion. This results in a characteristic pyramid shape where each level contains less energy than the one below it. Question: indicate the number of trophic levels on the diagram. The correct answer is there are 4 trophic levels. These levels include 1. Producers. These are the green plants that form the foundation of the ecosystem. They capture sunlight and convert it into chemical energy through photosynthesis, supplying the first source of energy to all other organisms. 2. Primary consumers or herbivore. These animals feed directly on the producers. They obtain stored plant energy and pass it on to the next level when they are eaten by predators. 3. Secondary consumers. These are carnivores that feed on herbivores. They gain energy by consuming primary consumers, transferring energy further up the food chain. 4. Tertiary consumers. These are top predators at the highest trophic level. They feed on secondary consumers and have no natural predators within the ecosystem. Question: identify the letter from the diagram that matches the following descriptions. A. Radiant energy is converted to chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. The correct answer is D. This level represents the producers, usually green plants. They trap solar, radiant, energy and convert it into chemical energy stored in carbohydrates through the process of photosynthesis. This is the foundation of all energy flow in the ecosystem. B. Herbivores pass the energy to secondary consumers through predation. The correct answer is C. This level indicates the position where herbivores are consumed by predators. Secondary consumers feed on these herbivores, transferring the stored energy further up the trophic pyramid. C. Interspecific competition takes place between tertiary consumers. The correct answer is A. At this level, top predators or tertiary consumers compete with each other for the same food resources. Because they occupy the highest trophic level, competition is intense due to limited available prey. Question: explain how the energy is transferred from the organisms in letter C to the organisms in letter B. Energy moves from C to B when the organisms in B, which are predators, actively hunt, kill, and consume the organisms in C. Through predation, the stored chemical energy in the bodies of animals in C becomes available to the predators in B. The energy is then used for growth, movement, reproduction, and metabolic processes within the predators. Question: name the abiotic components required by the organisms in letter D to sustain the energy flow in the above ecosystem. The components required by the organisms in letter D to sustain the energy flow in the above ecosystem are: 1. Water. Water is vital for plant survival because it plays several key roles in the ecosystem. It is required for photosynthesis, allowing plants to combine water with carbon dioxide to produce food. Water also enables the transport of nutrients and minerals from the soil into the plant, supporting growth and metabolic processes. In addition, water helps maintain the plant's structure by keeping cells firm and hydrated. 2. Air, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an essential gas that plants absorb from the air. During photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide together with sunlight and water to manufacture glucose, which serves as their primary source of energy. Without carbon dioxide, plants would not be able to produce food, and the entire energy flow within the ecosystem would collapse. 3. Soil. Soil provides plants with the minerals and nutrients they need for healthy growth. It also serves as a physical support system, anchoring roots firmly in place so plants can stand upright and access water and nutrients efficiently. The quality of the soil directly affects plant strength, productivity, and overall ecosystem stability. 4. Sunlight. Sunlight is the main source of energy for all plant life. It drives the process of photosynthesis, enabling plants to convert radiant energy into chemical energy stored in food. This captured energy becomes the foundation of every food chain, making sunlight the starting point of all energy flow within the ecosystem.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.